Well, so what's nice is that while I'm talking about this as sort of a new direction, there has been a big push by the National Institutes of Health and the National Institute on Aging in particular in the last couple of years to increase the diversity of samples. What we've seen in this study is more a reflection of the utility of that approach. So it's really sort of a proof of concept. The idea that a little bit of diversity goes a long way in terms of enabling us to see genetic risk factors. And the hope is that this will continue to push people to look into collecting more diverse data sets. The challenges that come with that are basically building on an infrastructure that has typically gone for more easily collected data that we can collect, sort of in our vicinity. So U.S. institutions collecting data on individuals who are around them, and we do still have a population that is predominantly European ancestry. So in order to get more diverse samples, we have to build bridges and connections to communities that may have not been involved in research before, or may have historically been not sort of had the collaborations exist between the institutions and those groups in a productive way, even been hurt sometimes by those interactions. So part of it is actually reaching out to new groups and making them not just stakeholders in the process, but making them sort of partners in developing the research resources to study individuals of various ancestries. And I think one of the things that we're very cognizant of is that in the past, those interactions were not always productive, but in the sense that some groups benefit and others did not. But since Alzheimer's is a disease that affects all populations in the world, this is something that individuals of all ancestry groups, of all backgrounds and all walks of life, have potentially risk for. And so as a result, part of it is making sure that everybody can benefit from our research and when they're involved. And that's a big challenge, but it's something that with the direction that we are going and the direction that a lot of the science is going now.